Remove the control box from the base using a 13mm wrench. Set the control box aside and remove the rear cover. Safety note: before removing any bolts, secure the main shaft with a forklift or an overhead crane to ensure safety. Use a 24mm open-end wrench in combination with a 14mm hex wrench to remove the mounting bolts and nuts. Carefully and slowly lift the upper mount until it is completely separated from the screw rod. Remove the spring and store it safely once separated. Separate the lifting motor from the gearbox. Note that two mounting bolts are located on the opposite side of the mechanism. The scrap collection baffle must be removed first to access the remaining bolts. Use a 13mm open-end wrench to remove the mounting bolts between the gearbox and the base. Carefully remove the entire lifting unit assembly. Remove the nut from the screw rod. Use a TX5 Torx wrench to loosen the set screw securing the gearbox to the screw rod. Separate the screw rod from the gearbox.